What's going on, you guys? It's me, Sam, Warwickshire and more here, and today I'm going to give you guys an honest review and tutorial of the YT Track app, which is this app where you can track your progress on YouTube. So, as you open the app, the front page is the monetization section, which tells you how long it is until you get monetized. And then subscribers, obviously I've got 1,070 subscribers. And then watch time, my watch time is really bad. Because after a year of you being on YouTube, I've been on YouTube for a couple of years now, and they delete so much of your watch time, think inactive and stuff, if that makes sense. So, but this is where problems first arrive. I'm not slating or slacking off this app, if that makes sense. This is just my own beautiful, honest reviews, thoughts and opinions, basically. But it says I've got 670 hours of watch time, but that's false, because on my YouTube studio, it tells me I've got over 700, and I should have more, like over 1,200, but obviously, because YouTube deletes so much of the inactive watch time, I've got so much less than that. But we'll steadily get my watch time up. And then, so that's the front page, and then if we go on to a bar graph, which is for your subscribers, it tells you how long until your next milestone. So obviously we've done opal, which is 1,000, and then bronze I'm 11% there, silver I'm 1% there, which is to 100,000, 10,000, and then gold, which is to 1 million, and diamond, which is to 100 million, I'm 0% there. So my next milestone is the bronze, which is 10,000 subscribers, and an 11% there, which is my next major milestone. And yeah, that's my next major ones. Just so I can't get rid of that notification. And yeah, so then we're going to move on to this progress section. Obviously, YouTube's on these glitches and pages still where they're deleting inactive spam accounts of subscribers, if that makes sense. So going back to the summer, we actually gained, we didn't actually lose that many subscribers, so we just scroll back to August time. So August time, we actually gained quite a few subscribers. There was good days, like August 22nd, when we lost 7. And then obviously there are occasional days where we do lose 1 or 2 subscribers. But then, starting mid-September, YouTube were on these glitches and patches, so I lost a couple, first of all. And then there's still good days where I gained quite a few, like October 18th, I gained, October 28th, so I gained 18. But then I still lose like 7 or 10 or... So there's good days and bad days. I gained 14, but then I'd lose 6, so I'll lose 5. Gain another 5, I'll lose 6 again. Gain like 8 or 15, and then I lose 7 on the 2nd of December. And then there's a few times where you don't lose that many, and then I lose like 10 again. Gain a couple, and I lose a couple. And then big purge days, like I lost 5. And then I'll gain a couple, I'll lose a couple again. And then this is about recent now. And then obviously I gained 5. Again, I'd lose like 9, which is really annoying. Like I'd gain 6 like the other day. Then I lose 7. And obviously it's not that up to date, the subscribers. It's basically, this is from the past 365 days. We'll get to views in a second. And I'm on the 3rd of February as I record this video. And on the 1st and 2nd, I didn't actually gain any subscribers. I mean, it's behind, so it doesn't show you subscribers as of yet, so that is a bit of an annoying part of the app. And then views, there's some really good days, like the other day I gained 457 views in one day, which is really cool. But again, that's slightly behind, as you can see. And then views, we get a couple of months ago, back in the summer, we'd only gained like less than 100 views a day. But now, past couple of months, we've gained like 100 to 200 views a day. But there's there's the odd days where we get less, like we only gained 84 views, and there are probably days where we haven't uploaded that much content. But then there's good days, like we'd gain 457 that day. Then other days where we'd gain so many good views, and obviously a few poor days, but we tend to average around 100 to 200 views a day. And then we'd have like a massive peak again, like again 490 on the 8th of November. You guys get the idea. So that's the views from the past 365 days. So yeah, moving on from that bit, we go on to dashboard, which basically says my channel. Obviously, you guys know my name's Sam's Warwickshire and more. That's pretty obvious. And I've got 1,070 subscribers. 62,500 views, which is really, really, really nice. And we just need to upload 4 more videos, and then we'll be at 500 videos. And then moving on to my channel, and it tells me I've got 1,070 subscribers, but that's not actually 100% accurate. Since YouTube no longer show your publicly amount of subscribers once you hit 1,000 subscribers, so on your YouTube studio it does tell you the exact number of subscribers, but on this app it doesn't, so it's telling me 1,070. So the next milestone that you guys will see is 1,080. But obviously YouTube, as I said, they're deleting like spam accounts and inactive accounts, so that's probably going to go down still. And then you can get the pro version. As you can see, there's like different pro versions you can get. I'm just using the free version because I don't really need the pro version for this app, to be honest with you. And then there is other good apps which I will review for you guys soon. And we've just got settings and stuff. So yeah, that is my honest and review of YT Tracker. So if you did enjoy my honest review, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do more reviews of this. I am thinking of doing like other reviews for TubeBuddy and Canva, which is more for creativity, thumbnails, etc. So let me know what your thoughts and opinions on that is. And leave a like on this video, comment down below, as if obviously if you want to see like more apps and stuff being shown on my phone. I'm obviously doing screen recordings. And comment down below as well. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this YT Tracker app. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Help me get 2,000 subscribers onwards and upwards, and 1,100, etc. And yeah, my phone is switched off, turning low. I should probably move it around a bit, keep it on low. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, guys.